Hey everyone, back at it again here. I got a product review today. I got a clam quickset tent. We're gonna open up and set up here. Got this as an open box special from Amazon. Let's see what we got here. I can open it without tearing it up. Knife probably isn't a good idea. Huh. All right. There we go. That's a little better. Been wanting one of these for a couple years, and I've finally decided to go get one here. So, first of all, pretty heavy canvas bag here. Pretty nice. They say you're supposed to be able to set it up in 60 seconds, so my first time setting it up here. Well, for open box, it looks brand new. Doesn't look like it's even been set up. Okay. Got some ties here to undo. All right. All right. Let me think how this, okay. So that is the roof right there. That goes on the inside. So they say, I've watched a few videos and I'm YouTube certified, so they say you're supposed to start like this and let it flop down like that. Whoa. All right. Then you step right here and pull on this, they say. Like that. Let's see. Side number 3. And then here's side number 4. Oh. Let's move this over a little bit. All right. All right, 4 sides. And they say you go inside here, go in the center, and go up. Wow, that was simple. Now, I'll turn it around. Then they have these support rods for the doorway here. Everything's all attached. And there's a little pocket it sits into right down here. Just like that. Alrighty, that's set up. Heavy duty zippers. Sure, I'll be quicker the next time I set it up, but I think this is going to work. And this is a little accessory bag that came with it. Comes with your ties for your side stays. And the stakes, which I'm not really impressed with. I mean, everything else about the tent's great, but plastic stakes, I think they could have done better with them. Maybe some metal ones. And your directions, which as you've seen, I did not use, but goes through the setup. Now we'll show you how to put a side panel on. I'll show you how these side panels go on. And you see it's got the flap to shed water over the top of the panels. And they've got these hooks that go into these D-rings at the top. And pull handle goes right through that eyelet there. Hooks down at the bottom. Velcro on the sides. Then you get a window that rolls up, so you can still get a breeze through there. Still have some privacy. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the construction. They got double, triple fabric stitching in the corners. Pretty heavy duty. And they get flange around the bottom that you could actually put sand on, or sandbags on, or something to hold it down. I've got it staked down with better stakes than that came with it, the rebar ones. I got one side open here for light. And as you can see, I'm doing some editing and some work in here. Also the bag that it comes with. Heavy duty canvas. I don't know if you can see the fabric there, but it's pretty well made. And it's oversized, so the panels should fit in too. But remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you the next time.